This is a portable photo printer. How cute is that? You know I had to get it in the color pink. All right, let's read these instructions because your girl needs to figure out how to use this printer. Let's go ahead and download this app. So I'm selecting a picture of my dog. Crop, add a frame, adjust, print. Hello? Oh, there it goes, there it goes. All right, it's doing something there. So freaking cool. Ready? You guys, this is so cute. Check it out. Look at that. That is perfect. Print pictures on the go. This is a portable printer. Overall, I would definitely recommend. That took less than 5 minutes to print one full picture out. So I'm gonna drop that link down below. Go check it out.